We'll guide you through how to make gradient text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure you already have Adobe Photoshop fully installed and opened on your computer. Go directly to the top menu bar, click on File, and select New to safely create a blank document canvas. Once the new canvas is completely open, navigate smoothly to your toolbar located on the left side of the screen and click the horizontal type tool, showing the T icon. Click perfectly anywhere on your white canvas and carefully type your desired word or phrase, for example, gradient. Use the helpful text options at the top of the screen to carefully choose a bold, remarkably thick font so the final gradient effect will clearly be visible. Now, please look closely at your layers panel securely located on the bottom right side of your active screen. You will definitely see a new text layer with the specific word you just typed. Right-click directly on this extremely specific text layer. From the convenient pop-up menu, accurately select the Blending Options command located at the very top. A huge layer style window will quickly appear right on your screen. Look at the left column of this specific window. Securely check the box next to Gradient Overlay, and then firmly click directly on the words Gradient Overlay to successfully open its important settings perfectly on the right. In the Settings panel, accurately find the gradient bar and smoothly click directly on the colored strip to perfectly open the wonderful gradient editor. Inside the gradient editor, you will clearly see a color slider safely at the bottom. Firmly click the very small color stop marker on the absolute bottom left to properly choose your first color. Smoothly click the color stop marker safely located on the bottom right to securely choose your brilliant second color. Firmly click the standard OK button to easily close the gradient editor. Back perfectly inside the open layer style window, you can smoothly adjust the angle dial to quickly change the active direction of your colors, for example, making it creatively go entirely left to right instead of top to bottom. Finally, securely click the OK button firmly on the layer style window to successfully apply the incredible visual effect, and your text absolutely now has a beautiful gradient.